Hi, my name is Himanshu Varma and I reside in Kolkata, and by the God's grace I have been a part of the kidswear manufacturing industry, and I would like to take this moment to basically give a feedback on how my experience was. Today I had a visit in this beautiful college and I have seen the work of the students and spread across multiple floors, and I'm really happy, and I would like to especially thank all the parents who have sent their children to this particular college, because this college is definitely working hard on them in terms of creativity, in terms of challenging them to think and imagine and create from the scratch, as well as something which is already created, deconstruct and reconstruct. A lot of things are going on, and I really wish all the students all the best in the future, and always remember that you have to always align yourself with what the real industry is all about, rather than being in a dreamy zone, because college is a dream and comes the reality later on. So it's always best to be very vigilant, be very attentive to what is going on, and apart from that, take this time, this 4 years, for the masters, maybe 2 years, to learn as much as possible and do the best in the outside world. Thank you so much.